Hola, hello, welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna be doing another eyeshadow look, and I'm gonna start off by doing the same trick I taught you guys in the last video with the concealer and then the eyeshadow, mixing it together, which creates a little base for your eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be doing a purple eyeshadow look. So starting off with a purple color and whatever concealer you guys want to use. And as you can see, I'm just tapping it in, not blending. And I'm using a flat brush for this, so don't use a fluffy brush for this. Just adding the product to my eyelid. And now I'm just pulling it upwards. Just make sure you get some good coverage, because this base is gonna make sure that your pastel color that you're gonna apply on top of it just pops a little bit more. And if you need to make another batch of this, just make sure you do that, because it does dry up pretty quick. And if you guys are still here and haven't subscribed yet or liked this video, make sure y'all go ahead and do that. Okay, so now I'm just getting my other brush ready. This is gonna be not so fluffy, but I'm just using this to kind of just set the powder on top of my eyelid. The fluffy brushes are to blend out, so that's not what we're doing yet. We're just setting it on there. Make sure we get a good pop of color. And this color is a little bit glittery, but if you guys want to go ahead and use matte, that's perfectly cool. So yeah, just making sure that everywhere where that base is at, I'm applying powder over it. And I'm just using the same color that I applied for the base, so it's the same shade of purple. And this is all from a Ulta palette, so it's all drugstore. So just make sure you pack it on there, and if you get any fallout, just wipe it away with a little brush. I did apply baking powder under my eyes before this, so just in case of the fallout, I'll just be able to wipe it all off with a little brush. Okay guys, so now what I'm going to be doing is starting to apply a darker shade of purple just to the outer crease, just to create a little bit of dimension and also like a little base for the eyeliner. And then just blend it inwards. And for most of my eyeshadows, I like using 3 colors. So with this, it's going to be the light purple, the darker purple, and then just another shade to blend it out. You don't really have to use a darker purple on the outer corner. It will look pretty if you don't, but this is just something I like doing and something I'm going to be trying out for today's look. And this is still using the same Ulta palette. I'm not sure how much it was because I did get it for Christmas, I think like 2 years ago or last year. Okay, so now you can see I am applying kind of like a nude orange color right there at the top to kind of blend everything together. And you want to go in lightly, not so harsh with this color, because the main focus is the purple. And just lightly blend away. Now y'all see this fluffy brush that I'm using. Just hold it lightly, don't hold the brush too hard or anything. Okay, so now taking that same brush I used to apply that light purple, I'm just using what's left on that brush to kind of blend at the bottom. Just make sure the bottom and the top are connecting. Okay, so now taking any black eyeliner and just applying it to the bottom eye waterline. And then taking a small brush, getting just a little bit of black eyeshadow and kind of smudging out the eyeliner to kind of blend the eyeshadow and the eyeliner together. And now moving on to highlighting the inner corners of my eyes. I'm using this new palette I got from a friend. She gave it to me. And it's my first time using it, so I think it looks good. What do you guys think? It's kind of like a gold shade. Also applying that to my nose, just in the center, and wiping off that excess powder. Applying some highlight to the cheeks now. And now now I'm going to start doing my eyeliner. I'm using a liquid eyeliner and just following the same waterline line that you got, just all the way to the top. Make sure they're connecting. And then just doing a little dot right there with a crease of my eye. Just connecting both of them. And then following with a thin line. I don't want to do my eyeliner too thick. So just getting it as close to the lash line as I can. Just making sure that everything's looking smooth. I will be getting a ring light soon, so hopefully my videos will come out looking better after that. So if you guys are having any trouble with your eyeliner, just know it takes practice and you really gotta learn your eye shape. So now just moving on to curling my eyelashes real quick and applying a little bit of mascara. I do want to try that new eyelash curler that comes with little spikes to kind of brush your eyelashes. If any of you guys have tried that, let me know how you guys like it. So yeah, like I said, just lightly apply the mascara. I hate whenever my mascara transfers to the bottom. Like it just kind of smears and smudges everywhere. So that's why I'm applying a little bit and then applying falsies. I am using the pre-cut lashes. And I'm just applying a little bit of glue on them. Letting them dry out for a second. And I do have my links down below in the description box. So if you guys want to follow me and on my other social medias, they are down there, like Instagram, Twitter. Yeah, go ahead and follow me so we can be friends. So you see how easily it attached on there with the first try. So just make sure you're applying it on your eyelash and not on your eye, because you don't want to get any glue on your eye. And just place it on there and then push it upwards. But yeah, the package comes with instructions telling you which ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, kind of comes in the little like sizes already. So you'll see a small one, and then the next one, and then the very last one. So if you are reusing these, just make sure you put them back in its original spot so you don't lose track of which one's what. But yeah, you guys, these are really easy to use, so I really recommend these. I even applied these in the car once. Thank God I did not poke my eye out. But I'd call myself a pro for doing that. This one's a little bit hard, but girl, it's not that hard. But if you guys like my videos, just make sure you subscribe because I will be uploading another video this week. So y'all stay tuned for that. And this is the final look. Thank you for watching.